Hello everyone, this is Dr. Amrita Sahu, Professor, Department of Commerce, the Bhopal School of Social Sciences. In the last module, we have discussed about what are the wages, what are the methods of wage payment. Under that, we have seen the time wage system and piece rate system. Today, we are going to discuss on the classification of piece rate system. Piece rate system is classified into straight piece rate system, differential piece rate system and piece rate system with the guaranteed time rates. Now, what is straight piece rate system? The earning of workers are calculated on the basis of number of pieces produced by him or her. The volume of time spent by the concerned worker is not taken into consideration for the purpose of calculating of earning. Under the straight piece rate system, each operation, job or unit of production is termed as piece. The earning of worker is high if the output of the concerned worker is high and vice versa. In other words, efficiency of worker is recognized in straight piece rate system of wage payment method. Therefore, the earning of efficient worker are always high. Moreover, this system stimulates the inefficient and slow workers to improve their efficiency and increase their speed in production activities. The following formula is used to calculate the earning of the workers. Earnings, that is number of units produced into rate per unit. Second, piece rate with the guaranteed time rate. Under this system, the minimum wages equal to time wages are guaranteed. If piece rate earning are less than the time wage for the day, the workers get time wages, and if the piece rate earning are more than the time wages, the worker gets piece rate earning. This method includes payment of guaranteed wages according to the time rate plus a piece rate payment for units above the minimum required, and worker is paid piece rate with dearness allowance or cost of living bonus. Third, differential piece rate system. Under this system, efficient workers are paid wages at a higher rate and inefficient workers at a lower rate. A definite standard of efficiency is set for each job, and for efficiency above or below the standard, different piece rate are paid according to the different level of efficiency. Methods of differential piece rate system. Taylor and Merrick has given their theories about the differential piece rate system. So, what is Taylor's differential piece rate method and what is Merrick differential piece rate system? Let us understand. F.W. Taylor, the father of scientific management, introduced this method on the basis of time, motion, fatigue studies. He is of the opinion that the efficiency of workers will be improved by adopting two rates of payment of wages. According to him, workers whose efficiency is less than the standard, low piece rate is paid. For workers whose efficiency is equal to or more than the standard, they are paid with a higher rate. Merits of Taylor's differential piece rate system. This system helps in reducing the cost of production per unit. This system is based upon scientific calculations, proper work and job standardization. Most important merit of this system are that it rewards an efficient workers and penalizes the inefficient workers. This system helps in eliminating the worker who are quite inefficient, because in the course of time they will try to get the work elsewhere. This system is very easy to understand and to calculate. Demerits of Taylor's differential piece rate system. If the standard work of a worker is less than the normal capacity, it causes great dissatisfaction among the workers. The greatest demerit of the system is that it does not guarantee minimum wages, therefore it is opposed by the labor unions. This system classifies the workers into two categories, efficient and inefficient. This system helps in eliminating the workers who are quite inefficient because in the course of time they will try to get the work elsewhere. This system is very easy to understand and to calculate. Now let us understand the merit differential piece rate system. Under this system, workers will be paid on the basis of efficiency factor, which merit has divided into three parts. If the efficiency level is up to 83%, workers are paid with a normal piece rate system. If the efficiency level is above 83% and up to 100%, 110% of normal piece rate is paid to the workers. If efficiency level is above 100%, 120% of normal piece rate workers are to be paid. Now let us understand this concept with the help of an example. Calculate the earning of A and B under straight piece basis and Taylor's differential piece rate system from the following information. Standard production is given as 10 units per hour. Factory day is 8 hours a day. Normal time rate is 3 rupees per hour. Differential to be applied. 80% of piece rate below standard, 120% of piece rate at or above standard. Mr. A produced 70 units in a day. Mr. B produced 85 units in a day. Standard production as per the information, it is given as 10 units per hour. Factory day is given as 8 hours. Standard production per day, 10 units into 8 hours is 80 units. Normal wage rate is 3 rupees per hour. Normal piece rate per hour is 3 by 10 units, that is 0.30 rupees per unit. Wages can be calculated output into normal piece rate. Now worker A has produced 80 units. Normal piece rate is 30 rupees 30 paisa per unit. So total wages is 21. 70 into 0.30, that is 21 rupees. On the other hand, B has produced 85 units. Normal piece rate is 0.30 paisa. So total wages paid to him is 85 into 0.30, that is 25.50. Taylor piece rate system, total wages is equals to actual output into piece rate. Normal piece rate as per the calculation we have calculated 0.30 per unit. Low piece rate 80% of normal piece rate, that is 80% of 0.30 is 0.24 rupee. High piece rate 120% of normal piece rate, that is 120% of 0.30, that is 0.36 rupees. Now come to worker A. Worker A has produced, as per the Taylor's piece rate system, A has produced 70 units, standard production is 80 units. So piece rate as per the normal capacity is 0.24, so amount is coming as 16.80 rupees. On the other hand, B has produced 85 units, high piece rate is 0.36, so 85 into 0.36 is equals to 30.60 rupees. Let us take another example. Find out the earning of 4 workers A, B, C and D under Taylor piece rate and merit differential piece rate system. Standard production is given as 80 units per week. Actual production for A, it is 50 units, for B it is 100 units, for C it is 80 units and for D it is 85 units. Low piece rate is given at the rate of 2 rupees per unit and high piece rate rupees 3 per unit. According to Taylor's differential piece rate system, wages to be paid to the efficient and inefficient workers. So inefficient workers will be paid low piece rate and efficient workers are getting higher piece rate. Worker A has produced 50 units as per the standard capacity of 80 units. Piece rate at the rate of 2 is given to him, so total wages to him is 100 rupees. Worker B has produced 100 units. which is more than the standard capacity, so he will be paid higher piece rate at the rate of rupees 3, so he will be getting total wages as 300. On the other hand, worker C has produced 80 units which is equal to the standard output, so he will be getting higher piece rate at the rate of rupees 3, so 80 into 3 will be 240 rupees total wages. Worker D has produced 85 units which is also above the standard capacity, so he will also be paid higher piece rate at the rate of rupees 3, so total wages will be rupees 255. The same thing we will understood with the help of Merrick differential piece rate system. As per the Merrick differential piece rate system, he has classified into 3 levels. Total wages is equal to actual output into piece rate. Standard output is given as 80 units. Normal piece rate is 2 rupees per unit. Percentage of efficiency is equals to actual output into 100 divided by standard output. Now, worker A has produced actual output as 50 units. So, percentage of efficiency we can calculate 50 into 100 divided by standard output 80, you will get 62.5%. So, this is below the standard capacity, so we will pay at the rate of 2, total wages will be rupees 100. Worker B has produced 100 units, so 100 into 100 divided by 80, that is 125%. This is above 100%, so 2 into 120% will be paid to him, so is equals to 2.40. So 2.40 into 100, he will be getting total wages of 240. Worker C has produced 80 units, 80 into 100 divided by standard output, total is 100. So he is standing in the second level as per the Merrick. So 2 into 110 is equals to 2.20. So 2.20 into 80 units, he is getting rupees 176 as a total wages. Worker D, 85 units. So 85 into 100 divided by 80 is a standard capacity, is equals to 107.5, which is also above 100%. So 2 into 120% is equals to 2.40. So 2.40 into 85, he is getting 204 rupees as a total wages. That's all from my side. Thank you.